Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings back in the West Wing in a cold November day, but we're going to warm it up with an R1250GS Uncrating. And this is going to be the Cosmic Blue Metallic 2019 BMW R1250GS with more horsepower, more torque, not a lot of aesthetic difference, but a lot of mechanical differences for you. So let's stay warm here and get Josh to do an uncrating of a 1250GS. Let's do it, man. We'll go ahead and take a sneak peek inside that box while Josh is finishing the uncrating, so you can see that beautiful cosmic blue. Same switch cube, same TFT. Primarily going to be a big engine difference. Still got our LED headlamp assembly. Back and watch this amazing uncrating from Josh here. Here we go. (2019) R1250GS. This particular model is going to be equipped with the comfort seat. You can see the texture difference. We have new rubber this year. We're running Battleac Adventure tires here from Bridgestone. So that's going to be a little different from our Anarchy 3s that we've been traditionally seeing from the R1200s. And we got a premium model for us. So still got our Gear Shift Assist Pro, still got our ESA, still have cruise control, the new suspension that we had come out in 2018 with auto preloading, multi-function controller that is now operating not only our TFT but our navigation display as well too. Oh, look at the brakes. Change up on the brakes in the front this year. Something a little bit different for us. What do you think? Is it looking good? If you like it, come on down to Frontline Eurosports in Salem, Virginia. You can reach us at 540-387-9780, frontlineeurosports.com. Find my YouTube channel, as you already have, and explore what Frontline Eurosports has for you. Thanks for watching Frontline Eurosports Online, and have a beautiful day.